you haven't watched any of the past modules, I would suggest you to watch that module, as you know that all the modules are in continuation. Yes, and if you have already watched and you are my returning viewer, a very warm welcome to you. As you know, what does our module suggest? Mental addition, and it's our module number 6. It's a way of adding a number in a similar way with a different trick. Let's see what does this say. As we can see here, 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, and we have categorized 3 plus 4 plus 3 into one group. Why so? क्योंकि ये हमें 10 देगा and it's in our module number 1. See, that's the magic of modules. Now अब remaining क्या बचा? 5. Then 10 plus 5 will give us 15. Similarly here 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. Now 8 plus 2 अलग categorize, 8 plus 3 अलग, which will give us 10 plus 11, 21. Similarly here 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. Yes, 6 plus 4 alag categorize and the remaining 7 plus 2 differently categorize, which will give us 10 plus 9, 19. Similarly here 43 plus 18 plus 19 plus 11. Here a different trick is applied because as we can see the last digit number include, because this contain 10 digit number, that's why these are called a special type of addition. Here 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 are included, one's digit differently, and 4 1 1 1 are differently categorized as 40 10 10 10. Why so? Yes, in our module number 2 we have already done this, and if we just took out another 9 plus 1 8 plus 3 combination of 10, we will do like